Welcome to BAXI North America's online training class. My name is Jeff Young, Technical Sales Engineer for BAXI North America. In the sections that follow, we will be covering everything you need to know to install and maintain the BAXI GA series of boilers. We will start with the introduction of the BAXI line and then follow that up with all the best practices for installing, maintaining, and servicing your BAXI product. Who is BAXI? In a busy and demanding world, we need to take some things for granted, like the comfort of our homes. We need power, we need control, we need performance, every time, all the time. And it's one company's mission to ensure we can. That company is BAXI. Today, with over 6,400 employees in 13 different manufacturing facilities in 6 European countries, BAXI is one of the largest manufacturers of heating products in the world. In addition to the group's flagship BAXI brand, BAXI owns 32 related businesses in the European marketplace. Together, we produce over 4,000 gas, oil, and solid fuel boilers every day. That's over 850,000 boilers every year. Customers around the world have come to rely on BAXI for their home comfort needs. BAXI is number 3 in the world, and we aim to be even bigger. We realize that with greater size comes greater responsibility, both to our customers and to our planet. We thus intend to manage our growth according to our one enduring forward vision, to deliver our customers ever greater heating performance and home comfort. The BAXI Group. Welcome to the future of heat. Currently in the U.S., we have 5 residential units, 3 combi units supplying heat and hot water, and 4 heat-only units. We also have 2 light commercial units, as well as indirect fired water heaters and boiler control systems. All of our products are true package boilers, and all but 2 have our gas adaptive technology, which we will cover in another section of this presentation. The GA30 is our smallest residential combi boiler. At 93,000 BTUs of input to 17,000 BTUs on central heating mode, and 115,000 to 16,000 in domestic hot water mode. This unit will produce 2.5 gallons a minute at a 70-degree rise in temperature. That means that this would be good for a 1-bathroom home with normal fixtures. This unit can run on natural gas or propane with no kit required. As a matter of fact, the unit will determine which kind of gas it needs to use all on its own, but we'll talk about that later in the presentation. The unit is 15 inches wide by 11 inches deep by 27 inches high and weighs 79 pounds. Our GA40 combi unit is our most popular boiler. It has a BTU rating of 125,000 to 22,000 in central heating mode and 152,000 to 22,000 in domestic hot water mode. That means this unit will produce 3.9 gallons per minute at a 70-degree rise in temperature. The unit is 17 inches wide by 13 inches deep by 30 inches tall and weighs 102 pounds. Our GA60 is our biggest combi unit. It has a BTU rating of 164,000 to 29,000 in central heating mode and 205,000 to 29,000 in domestic hot water mode, which means the GA60 can produce 5 gallons per minute at a 70-degree rise in temperature. The GA60 can handle up to 3-bath home with normal flow fixtures. The GA60 is 17 inches wide by 21 inches deep by 30 inches high and weighs 125 pounds. Unlike the smaller combi units, the GA60 does not come with a built-in expansion tank. The GA1.33 is our smallest residential heat-only boiler. It is identical to the GA40 without the flat plate heat exchanger for domestic hot water. So you will get a BTU rating of 125,000 to 22,000 of input for all your central heating needs. The GA1.48 is our biggest residential heat-only boiler. It is also identical to the GA60 without the flat plate heat exchanger for domestic hot water. So you will get a BTU rating of 153,000 to 29,000 of input for your central heating needs. The GA 1.48 does not come with a built-in expansion tank. The MP 1.70 is our smallest light commercial unit. It has a BTU rating of 240,000 to 36,000 for your central heating needs. This unit does not have the gas adaptive technology, but is still field convertible from natural to LP with no additional kit required. The MP 1.70 has a turndown ratio of 6.7 to 1. The unit is 17 inches wide by 23 inches deep by 30 inches high and weighs 120 pounds. The MP 1.110 is our biggest light commercial unit. It has a BTU rating of 380,000 to 39,000 for your central heating needs. This unit also does not have the gas adaptive technology, but is still field convertible from natural to LP with no additional kit required. The MP 1.110 has a turndown ratio of 10.5 to 1. The unit is 23 inches wide by 25 inches deep and 37 inches high and weighs 215 pounds. Baxi has its H2O series of indirect fired water heaters. These tanks are a dual glass line tank with an enameled coil which inhibits the buildup of scale and makes the coil longer lasting. There's a temperature and pressure relief valve included in the box, a Honeywell Aquastat, a magnesium anode rod, and we also have a built-in tap for recirculation loop, less piping for the installer. There's also a tank water temperature gauge on top of the unit and a cleanout built on the side. The H2O water heaters come in 3 different sizes, a 42, a 53, and a 79. The 42 weighs 180 pounds, the 53 weighs 200, and the 79 weighs 243. That obviously is dry weight. The GL40 can handle 220 gallons a minute of continuous rating at 115 degrees. The 50 will do 268, and the 80 will do 281. All the H2O series of tanks are installer friendly and are clearly marked for both piping the closed loop system and the domestic hot water, with red for hot and blue for cold markings on the tank. One of our newest products is our uSense thermostats. These are wired thermostats that will attach to your Baxi boiler using a gateway to attach to the Wi-Fi in your home. Once you've downloaded the Baxi app on your smartphone, you have total connectivity to your boiler. You can check and change temperature in your home from anywhere. It will also let you know if there is a problem by displaying any error codes with an alert on your mobile device. It can even give you your fuel consumption in both central heating mode and domestic hot water mode. The uSense thermostat can easily wire into your existing system to give you the connectivity that you need. Once you download the app on your mobile device, it will walk you through the registration and setup. It is incredibly easy to use.